Hey guys, and welcome back to my another video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Firstly, open Picsart app and choose any picture you wanted to edit. After that, go for option draw, and then firstly we're gonna outline the all parts. Firstly, go for option brush and then select the size and just start. So there is chance of mistake. For that, you can just undo it or just erase it. After you're done with all the outline stuff, then we're gonna go for the option and then go for empty layer and just swap it with second last layer. And then there is the option of a color, go for it and select the color you want to go for and just take option brush and start doing it. Just color it as you want to go for. You can just go for some more creativity and don't worry about the excess part. We're going to clean it later on. Now it's time to clean the excess part. Just go gently, use the option erase and go for it. Don't worry, this part is a little bit boring, but it is time worth it. Sometimes you have to fill some spaces, sometimes you have to erase it, so you have to swap between the erase and the brush option. Once again, go for the option and then empty layer, and once again swap that with second last layer. You need to go for option color, then select the color where you want it to fill it. I'm going for pants, and then take a brush and start filling it. Now it's time to clean the excess part. Go for it. What you want it to clean, clean that, or you want to fill that. Go for the same option, go for empty layer. Once again, second last layer, swap that with, and then start. Go for option color and then select the color you want to go for, and there you go. Now I'm coloring some small detailed areas. Now we're gonna go for the face side area. Once again, go for the option and then select the empty layer and then swap it and just start. Let's move on to the color option. Go for bayside area, choose color and just fill it. You have to fill every single area or else that will not work out for the last step. Now we have filled every single part. Let's move on to the hairstyle area. Once again go for that same option, empty layer, swap and then select color and start filling it. Now we are finally done with all the things. Now there's just one step remaining and then you are done. Move on to the last layer and there is option of a hidden and just hide it and there you go. Now you need a good background. If you have that, you can use it from photos or else now I don't have, I'll go for stickers and find some good background and use it. Now we have got the background, we're gonna adjust it properly and then go for the option blend and select any of the option from that and then go for the erase option. Now there is an option of a background, you have to go for it and then erase some extra parts or just fill some extra parts, that's just on you. Now guys, we're officially done with all. If you wanted to do something else, you can do it. If you wanted to add some doodlings, you can. If you want to add some filters, you can. Anything, whatever you want to go for, you can be crazy enough. But for now, I'm gonna stop here and just save it. So that was today's small tutorial. I know you must have loved it and you're gonna try it. But firstly, you have to like, share and comment that what you want for next video or if you wanted to give any other suggestions you can, but subscribe to my channel and thank you very much for watching this video. We'll meet soon. Bye.